Right, I thought I'd do the other day. I thought I would do. I bought these when I asked to shop. I thought I'd give these another go, seeing as I bought them ages ago when they first come out, and I couldn't work out whether I liked them or not. But then I had them with something that was really cheesy, and I did a cheese potato pie, and I did some pasta sauce, and I think I just lost the flavour in amongst it all. So yeah, so yesterday I decided to give them another go. At the moment I'm without an oven and I'm without a hob, so I thought, well, I'm going to try and see if I can nuke these in the microwave, and they've come up totally fine for 3 minutes. It doesn't look that great, but honestly, it's fine. The only thing I'm shocked of is the date. Oh, hang on, 18th of April. We're not at April yet, we're still in March. I do this all the time, so I thought this was well out of date, but it's not. It's still got a really good date on it. But I ate it anyway. I was like, it's still really good. But it is lovely. It's really nice. So I did this yesterday with a frozen jacket potato. But I thought I'll have this as a brunch type thing. I would have done some other bits with it, but I haven't got much else to go with it. So this will do for now. And it is really tasty. I think they're on an offer at the minute in Asda. I think they're £2.50 instead of £3. Nice. So if you're after a fish alternative, then definitely go for these. They're really good. It'd be interesting to put a type of batter on it and do like a fish and chip type thing. So there we are. Right. Catch you later.